Do you crave thick, chewy chocolate chip cookies that are crispy on the outside and soft, gooey on the inside? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome back to Lemon Cone. There are countless chocolate chip cookie recipes out there, but today we are sharing our all-time favorite, a recipe that's simply perfect. So no more time to lose, let's dive in. Start by melting and browning the butter. It's give your cookies a nutty, toffee-like flavor. As it melts, you'll notice it's foaming up. Keep stirring to prevent burning. When the color turns a rich golden honey, take it off the heat and let it cool completely before using. While the butter cools, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. In a large bowl, pour in the browned butter. Granulated sugar and brown sugar. Mix them well until combined. Then add 1 large egg and stir it in thoroughly. Follow it up with vanilla essence. Add baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix until smooth. Now add sifted all-purpose flour, oh, I almost forgot, add corn flour and mix until everything comes together. Now for the best part, chocolate chunks. I love using chunks because they create melty pockets. But hey, feel free to use chocolate chips if that's your vibe. You could also mix both. Remember, you're the boss in your kitchen. Use an ice cream scoop to get evenly sized cookies, around 60 grams each. If you prefer jumbo cookies, go for 100 grams. Place them on a lined tray. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Chilling helps make thicker, chewier cookies by reducing spread during baking. You can also freeze the dough after shipping for later. Just thaw before baking. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Place the cookie dough on a greased and lined tray, leaving about 2 to 3 inches space between each. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes. The aroma will be absolutely irresistible. Let the cookies cool because at this stage they are still soft. For an extra flavor boost, you can sprinkle some sea salt on top. I totally forgot. Now let's taste one. The nutty toffee-like flavor is out of this world. And the gooey chocolate, perfection. These cookies literally melt in your mouth. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Lemon Cone. Drop your feedback in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Until next video, keep baking, keep smiling.